Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to reset the phone via settings. To reset the smartphone via system settings, first let's go to Settings app and go to System. Enter Reset option and select Reset Mobile, Reset Bluetooth, App Preferences, Erase eSIMs, Delete Private Space or Erase all data. Confirm and it's done. Remember that this procedure will delete everything from your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.